CTP standards set our properties apart from the competition. From floor to ceiling, the CTP technical specifications used in each building exceed industry standards. Opening a new facility is a strategic investment decision, and we understand that when our clients move into a new facility, they need the surety that the building they occupy, whether for manufacturing or logistics, is built to last. CTP has developed 5 bespoke property types to accommodate a variety of business needs, based on our standard specifications. This ensures consistent construction quality and short build times, allowing our clients to simply plug and play, with the assurance that the facility will support them over the lifetime of their operations. As standard, we use steel fibre reinforced concrete flooring, capable of 5 tons per square metre loading, suitable for most light industrial purposes. Additionally, our buildings are built with a solid concrete frame, with a standard clear height of 10.5 metres. Depending on requirements, CTP can customise any of our standards, including higher floor load capacity, greater clear height, and heavy crane carrying capacity. Insulated facades are made from industry-leading 150mm sandwich panels, providing fire resistance protection for 120 minutes and year-round insulating capacity, lowering overall climate control costs. Fire security is a priority, and as standard, we include smoke detection systems not only in the office areas but also in our main halls. All buildings come equipped with ceiling-based sprinkler systems and fire alarms in all areas. Our standard includes both drive-in ramp access and long-life hydraulic dock levelers with motorized control systems. Optional internal partitions allow clients to customize interiors to optimize work processes. To keep operational costs low, office space includes top-of-the-line HVAC systems which ensure location-specific climate control. Main halls are equipped with both high-quality heating and cooling units, which can be combined with smoke and heat exhaust ventilation systems depending on client needs. We understand the energy requirements of industrial operations, so any way to mitigate consumption is a bonus. All of our buildings include highly efficient LED lighting systems throughout the building, in addition to ventilated roof skylights which allow in natural light, providing direct cost savings for our clients. Multi-level offices incorporate common areas such as utility rooms, meeting rooms, kitchenettes and lavatories. CTP installs high-capacity communication and electrical socket boxes in the offices, as well as heat recovery units in the halls, showers and locker rooms. Lavatories and showers are fully equipped with high-quality fittings and accessories. Kitchenettes are fitted with a sink, microwave oven, refrigerator and dishwasher. During our standards upgrade process, we review new technologies, solicit new suppliers, and research new materials. We aim to either incorporate newer, higher quality, longer lasting versions of an existing technology, or to negotiate lower costs, thereby maintaining overall cost effectiveness. These standards cover all aspects of building construction and are catalogued in what we call our CTP White Book. Suppliers or materials which do not meet our requirements, either in price or quality, are removed from the White Book to ensure the ongoing improvement of our buildings. As the basis for all our construction projects, the White Book ensures consistent build quality in every country where we operate. We also look to reduce the carbon footprint of our buildings by sourcing materials that require less energy to produce and can be easily recycled. By greening our White Book, we contribute to the long-term health of our planet. We know that our tenants and their employees want to have an enjoyable work environment, so all of our developments are based on our successful industrial park model, which is clean, organised and accessible. We carefully landscape our parks, incorporating abundant green areas with trees and shrubs, in addition to ample employee and visitor parking. Our full-service parks include on-site amenities such as employee canteens, bus stops for public transportation, or CTP-operated shuttle bus services. Our on-site facility and park managers guarantee personal attention from our friendly maintenance and repair staff, in addition to our 24/7 online service desk application. CTP is ISO certified. All of our buildings are built through BREEAM specifications and are certified according to country energy ratings as required by law. CTP, standards you can depend on.